Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Telegram group secure and want to prevent other admins from adding new admins, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the latest method to control admin privileges in your Telegram group on PC, using the new update. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, from your chat list, find and open the group where you have admin rights. This process only works if you're already an admin in the group. At the top right corner of your group chat window, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to open the Group Options menu. From the menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the Group Management settings, where you can control everything from permissions to group info. Now, look for the Administrators section and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the current admins in your group. Find the admin whose permissions you want to change and click on their name. This will bring up a detailed list of what that admin can and cannot do within the group. Look for the option labeled Add New Admins. If this switch is enabled, it means the selected admin can add more admins to the group. To prevent this, simply disable the Add New Admins option. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save to apply the new settings. That's it. You've now successfully restricted this admin from adding new admins to your Telegram group. Repeat these steps for any other admins you want to limit. By taking control of admin permissions, you keep your group safer and ensure only trusted members can make important changes. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group owners who want to keep their communities secure. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram group with confidence.